Hi folks, it's John from kingstonpowdercoating.com. I'd like to share with you these custom wheels that we've finished and reinstalled on this car. This is a highly custom 2005 wide body Corvette. It's had a whole bunch of different things done to it, and our client brought it here primarily to have the wheels redone, but then we also did some adjustments and tuned the suspension and the ride height, and then we added and tweaked a few other things while it was here at our shop. But these wheels turned out very, very nice. These are a true three-piece wheel. These are an incredible amount of work. We have 3 different colors. We totally disassembled the wheels. We media blasted them. We did a lot of repairs to the rims that were damaged, and then we painted in a combination of special paint and powder coating to get this result. So these are extremely big wheels. The name of the wheels are 360 forged. So they're a very, very nice high-end wheel. And what we did is they're basically multicolored wheels. So I apologize for the lighting here at the shop. It's terrible weather outside. So what I wanted to do is just share with you, we have this outside ring, which is basically the size of most normal wheels. It's a deep dished wheel, and that's just the outside portion, which was a chrome coating that was on them, and they were peeling and pitting and quite damaged. So we had to remove all of that material back down to the original alloy and do quite a bit of work to get it to this gunmetal metallic or a graphite metallic kind of look or color. And then this star part of the ring, with the outer ring, it's all one piece, that star centerpiece, that was unbolted. And then the other half of the rim on the back side, which attaches to this gray, we removed. So there's 3 big pieces per wheel, and that's where they refer to as a 2-piece or 3-piece rim. So it's completely disassembled, and you can see multicolor. So we've got our graphite on the outside, we have our high gloss black on the back side to give it the depth, and then we have this pearl candy metallic in the star, and then we have a blue candy outlining the ridges of the star, and then also accenting the center of the writing, the 360 forged. So this is a tremendous amount of work. Once it was all done and the special coating and powder coating and paint was done, then it all had to be reassembled. Very difficult with this super low profile tire, but we have all the tools here, and so we were able to reseal everything, replace the valves, reinstall these huge tires. There are 335 25 ZR20, so they're quite a big tire. Very difficult to put on with that low sidewall without doing any damage to the wheels. And then we also have in-house a high-speed balancer, so we're able to correctly balance these wheels. So the back wheels are a little bit larger than the fronts, and I'll just briefly come this way to show you the fronts, but the same idea. They're still a really deep dish, very low profile tire, and then we have the identical coloring for them. So these are quite challenging to do, a lot of work, but very rewarding when it's done, because it's a beautiful look in my opinion, because you have the depth and the different colors which accents this very, very unique wide body Corvette. So I just wanted to share with you, we're known for the restoration side with Last Chance Auto Restore, and that's where we have the extra equipment to do the tire balancing, the tire changing, and the things of that nature, but then setting up the suspension, and then being able to use our other division, kingstonpowdercoating.com, to apply different unique finishes to custom wheels like this. It really sets off and personalizes the car. So thank you for watching. I'm John from kingstonpowdercoating.com.